Yo, what's up? What's good? What's popping out there? It's your boy, the Anonymous Philosopher. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete a video from your YouTube channel. But before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give us a like to the actual channel, the Anonymous Philosopher.
We on fire. Step up in the party, step up in the party hot.
The first step will be going to my channel, of course, after signing in to your channel. This is our first step, guys. Our second step will be going to YouTube Studio Beta. Make sure you follow all the steps, guys. Don't skip in at all. Our third step will be going to videos just right below dashboard. Then voila, you see, guys, I have only 0.13 seconds video. I just uploaded for this sample channel just to show you how to delete the video. After checking the box just like this, go to the left side of public. This is delete. I understand that deleting a video from your YouTube is permanent and cannot be undone. This action will also remove the video's comments. Okay, I agree. Delete video. And that's how it's done, guys. If you like the video, again, guys, subscribe, like, comment, do whatever it takes.